Hi, I'm Amy, founder of Skinfix. We are obsessed with skin barrier health, and we are clean plus planet positive and exclusive at Sephora. Eczema is a chronic skin condition that can appear scaly, dry, and flaky. It can often be itchy and painful and can impact our confidence, mood, and sense of well-being. Eczema can happen when our barrier is damaged or leaky, so it's critical to protect the barrier while helping to heal the symptoms. Eczema Plus Dermatitis Face Balm uses powerful FDA and Health Canada approved actives to target dryness, itching, and cracking skin, while also protecting and helping to restore the damaged barrier. I love it because it's a powerful treatment that uses 3 pharmaceutical-grade active ingredients to safely treat flare-ups for fast, soothing relief. We use 5% colloidal oatmeal as a powerful skin soother, 7% sweet almond oil to help calm itch and deeply hydrate, and allantoin to help promote healing.